Hi there, welcome to our channel. If you want to send high quality photos via WhatsApp on iPhone, then this video is for you. First, open WhatsApp application on your device, then you'll find gear icon at the bottom right corner. Simply click on it. Now scroll down and then you will find the storage and data option, and in this section you will find media quality, where you will find media upload quality. Simply tap on it and you will find some multiple options like standard quality or HD quality. You may find best quality or data saver quality, or some other like auto recommended option according to your iOS version. For me, I'm just going to select HD quality to get HD images through WhatsApp, and I can send the HD quality images through WhatsApp also. Now if I select this and go back, now I can send the photos. I can send the photos from here, allow, and I can send the photos from my WhatsApp like full HD quality photos, and it will send to the person with the perfect quality, the exact quality of that photo, and the person will get HD quality photo through WhatsApp. Now sometimes it may compress amount of file size for some reason, for WhatsApp issue, any type of issue. You can go with document. If you make document and you send a image or video, any type of media through document, then it will send the exact file size to that person, and there won't be any compromise with the quality and the file size of your photo or video. If you choose from files, then you can choose an image like this and select open, and then you can just simply tap on send, and it will go as document, and if you tap on it you will find the image. But for the benefit is it won't decrease any quality or file size of your photo or videos. That's why you will get or the HD quality image, or you can send the HD quality image, best quality image or videos through your WhatsApp account. Hope you got this video. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.